gonna open it. So Mommy got a new package. We gotta find out what's in it. Are you ready? Yeah? Okay. All right, can you help Mommy tear it? Tear it open. Ugh. What's in there? What's in there? Oh. Oh, look, Mommy got another box. It's a box.
Oops, 1 second. Oh, you got it? I did not realize it came in a box inside a box.
The bag into a box. We're gonna get it open. We're gonna get it. Oh, you're helping me? Okay. Oh, can you tear that? Tear that for Mommy. Tear it. Oh, good job. All right, ready? Open it. What's in here?
Another box.
It's another box. Inside of the box. Ready? Ta-da! What's that?
This is Daisy.
It's a mermaid.
Mama's
Mommy's mermaid, yeah. Is that so cool? See, Mommy's got to add it to her collection. No, you don't care. Mommy's excited. I like it. Now I just got to find room for her in him somewhere.
So this is the box lunch exclusive Ariel with Eric statue.
Yeah, you.
Yeah.
With additional commentary from Aiden.
Okay. Can you tell everyone hi? Oh.
And of course, he's
And
going
we
to
gotta
play
play
with the
the
box.
Yep. Don't buy children toys. Just buy stuff for yourself and give them the boxes.
Exactly.
Hello?
So this will
Hello?
go with all her Little Mermaid stuff. It's up here. Oh, Ariel and Eric are taking a nap. So. And head back on. That's actually 10-inch Ursula with the glow in the dark, I believe, on her crown and the trident. So, actually, maybe go right back there. All right.
Mommy's gonna open it. Open it.
Are you gonna open it? Open it? Yeah. Very hardcore Funko collectors that watch this video. They're like, "You took it out of the box."
Listen. Mike keeps his in boxes for the collector part of it. I'm never getting rid of any of mine, and they're just for me. But there they are. Ta-da!
Nice.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow, yeah? Oh, another box to play in. Woohoo! Oh, you're kind of like a space. Look, you're like Buzz.
There's a little background one.
Look,
Looks like a
Buzz.
camera came.
Ta-da! Are you Buzz? It's Buzz Lightyear.
Well, do you like your new pop?
I do. I still gotta find room for her though.
All right.
Somewhere.
Now I gotta order my next one.
What do you mean your next one?
In the next video, we'll talk to you about, I don't know what yet, but bye!